Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your go-to source for insightful discussions on consumer trends, environmental concerns, and sustainable living. Today, we delve into a crucial topic: BIS Care App, empowering consumers for quality assurance and complaint redressal. The Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, is a national standards body responsible for ensuring the quality and safety of products in India. As part of its digital transformation initiative, BIS launched the BIS Care app to provide a seamless and accessible platform for consumers to verify the authenticity of certified products and raise complaints in case of violations. This mobile application empowers consumers by giving them access to critical product information and enabling them to lodge complaints conveniently. Before break it down, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times to motivate us. Now, we will explore the BIS Care app, its features, benefits for consumers, and the process of filing complaints through the app. The BIS Care app is a mobile application developed by the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, to provide a digital interface where consumers can verify the authenticity of ISI marked and BIS certified products, lodge complaints regarding the quality of BIS certified products, access information about Indian standards and certification schemes. The app is available for download on both Android and iOS platforms, ensuring ease of use for millions of Indian consumers. Key features of the BIS Care app. The BIS Care app is designed with multiple features to enhance consumer protection and awareness. Some of its major features include product verification through QR code, license number. Consumers can easily verify whether a product bearing an ISI mark or ABIS certification is genuine by scanning the QR code on the product or entering the license number, CML number. Consumers can confirm if the product complies with the relevant BIS standards. Details such as product type, manufacturer's name, and validity of certification are displayed, helping consumers make informed purchasing decisions. Search for BIS certified products and manufacturers. Consumers can search for certified products and manufacturers using product categories or keywords. This feature ensures that buyers can verify which brands or manufacturers adhere to BIS standards before making a purchase. It enhances transparency and encourages manufacturers to maintain high-quality standards. Lodge complaints and grievance redressal. The app enables consumers to lodge complaints related to the quality of BIS certified products or the misuse of ISI and BIS marks. Complaints can be filed directly through the app, ensuring a fast and streamlined grievance redressal process. Consumers receive real-time updates on the status of their complaints, enhancing trust and accountability. Product certification and standards information. The app provides details about various Indian standards applicable to different product categories. Consumers can stay informed about mandatory certification schemes, ensuring that they are aware of the safety and quality benchmarks established by BIS. Hallmarking verification for gold and silver jewelry. The app also allows consumers to verify the authenticity of hallmarked gold and silver jewelry. By entering the Hallmark Unique Identification Number (HUID), consumers can access details about the purity, jeweler, and assaying center, ensuring they receive quality products. Check authenticity of BIS recognized laboratories. Consumers can check whether the testing laboratories are BIS recognized, ensuring that the results and certifications provided by these labs meet established standards. Real-time complaint tracking and updates. After filing a complaint, users can track the status of their grievances and receive regular updates about the progress and resolution. Advantages of the BIS Care app for consumers. The BIS Care app offers numerous advantages that empower consumers and promote a culture of quality awareness in India. These benefits include enhanced consumer awareness. The app equips consumers with information about certified products, manufacturers, and applicable standards. It enables them to make informed purchasing decisions and avoid substandard or counterfeit products. Verification of authenticity. Consumers can verify the legitimacy of ISI marked and BIS certified products before making a purchase. This reduces the risk of falling victim to counterfeit or non-compliant products. Transparency and trust. By providing access to information about certification and compliance, the app promotes transparency in the marketplace. Consumers can confidently purchase products knowing they meet the prescribed standards. Easy complaint filing and grievance redressal. Lodging complaints has never been easier. Consumers can file grievances directly through the app, ensuring a quick and efficient resolution. Regular status updates and complaint tracking improve consumer satisfaction and trust. Encouragement for manufacturers to comply. Manufacturers are more likely to comply with BIS standards when they know that consumers can easily verify certifications and lodge complaints. This motivates companies to maintain high-quality standards, benefiting consumers and promoting healthy competition. Safety assurance for consumers. Ensuring that certified products meet safety standards minimizes health hazards and safety risks for consumers, particularly in categories such as electrical appliances, packaged foods, and building materials. How to file a complaint using the BIS Care app simplifies the process of lodging complaints regarding non-compliant products. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download and install the BIS Care app. The app is available on Google Play Store, Android, and Apple App Store, iOS. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Register, login on the app. Users need to register on the app by providing basic details such as name, mobile number, and email address. Login credentials are generated for future access. Select Lodge Complaint option. Navigate to the Complaint section within the app and choose the Lodge Complaint option. Provide product details and description of complaint. Enter details such as the product's license number, manufacturer's name, and a brief description of the issue. Upload supporting documents, if available. Submit complaint and track progress. Once submitted, users receive an acknowledgement along with a complaint reference number. Consumers can track the progress of their complaints and receive timely updates on the resolution. Empowering consumers through technology. The BIS Care app is a revolutionary tool that empowers Indian consumers by providing them with the ability to verify product authenticity, access information on standards, and lodge complaints effortlessly. By promoting transparency, accountability, and compliance with quality standards, the app plays a pivotal role in protecting consumer interests. As awareness about the app increases, more consumers are expected to leverage this platform to make informed decisions and safeguard their rights effectively. Call to action for consumers. If you haven't already, download the BIS Care app today and take charge of your purchasing decisions. Ensure that the products you buy meet safety and quality standards while enjoying a seamless grievance redressal experience. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay sustainable.